here's what I want you to take from all of this. Quote Code can scrape anything on the internet using just plain English, and Has Data makes sure that all of these requests actually succeed. This combination is so powerful for anyone that wants to build data pipelines, marketing research, or just wants to pull data from the internet without needing a full engineering project. Just think about what you can do with all of this. You can monitor competitor pricing across 50 e-commerce sites, build a real-time job market dashboard for your niche, feed fresh web data into a RAG pipeline for your own AI app, pull every local business in a zip code for lead gen, track SEO rankings across thousands of keywords, and aggregate reviews from multiple platforms. The reason this works so well at scale is because of Has Data's proxy infrastructure. They rotate between multiple networks per target, not just one network. And this way, your scraper won't just fail at 2 AM. And one more thing, they have success-based billing. That means that you only pay for the requests that actually succeed, and you don't pay for the ones that fail.